Welcome to LaunchPad Education, the fastest growing government job preparatory institute in the region. When it comes to choosing the right guidance for your dream job, there is no doubt you would want the best. At LaunchPad Education, we make sure that the students in both our offline and online batches get the best guidance and required attention from our experienced mentors. In your journey with us, you will be covering the complete syllabus of prelims and mains in your live classes, along with exam simulated practice tests to enhance your preparation. The regular presentations, group discussions, debates, and other personality development activities organized for the students is to make sure that they are ready for the interview stage as well. The course for UPSC, or State Civil Services, and other government jobs includes preparation from a very well-researched set of standard books, class notes, and other study material, as suggested by most of the toppers. Minimum resources and maximum revision will be the focus. The students will be regularly interacting with the toppers who have cracked IAS, PCS, and other government exams. Successful candidates are regularly invited to share their experiences, strategies, and to boost the confidence of our students. We have two very popular YouTube channels by the name of LaunchPad IAS and LaunchPad Education Punjab, which are being watched by thousands of aspirants across the nation. In our daily newspaper and editorial discussion class, we help our students by guiding them on how to read the newspaper daily and also discuss the important sections of the paper. We also conduct regular current affairs classes so that even when the course gets completed, the students can cover current affairs through the YouTube classes regularly. With the help of LaunchPad Education mobile app, you can watch all the classes in recorded format in case you miss a class or want to repeat classes any number of times. The batches at LaunchPad Education are designed as per the age and qualification of the students so that they can start their preparation whenever they plan. The student counselors will guide you about the batch that suits you the most. Make sure you attend the orientation classes before starting your journey with us, which will help you understand the demand of the exams. The best time to start working for your dream is now. So get on board and let's launch your dreams to the sky with no limits.